Hi, I'm Jill Maria. I'm a makeup artist and stylist at Salon 27. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your face appear thinner and firmer. The first step is to apply some anti-wrinkle and firming moisturizer. Just apply it all over the face, under the eyes, in upward motion, on the forehead, and then bring it down the jaw. Okay. The next step is to apply some concealer a shade lighter than the foundation that you're using along the jawline and under the chin. Just want to blend it. The lighter shade makes the face appear thinner. Okay, and then you want to just bring it on down the jawline. And that is how you make your face appear thinner and firmer. I'm Jill Maria with Salon 27.